Hello friends, we hope you enjoyed our last video on how to get new customers for your business. Today we are sharing with you the second part of that video, and we hope you will also enjoy it and put it into action to get more customers for your business and make more profit. This video will show you several ways to acquire new customers for your laundromat business. It also explains role of customer service, amenities and technology to get new customers as well as customer expectations in the USA. Finally, we will discuss the role of laundry management software in acquiring new customers. Now we start it. First one is use of door-to-door flyers for laundry business. Door-to-door flyers is a cost-effective marketing strategy for laundry business and can be a great way to generate new business for a laundry business. Door-to-door flyers is a marketing tactic where flyers or leaflets advertising a laundry business are distributed directly to households in a specific area. These flyers typically include information about the laundry business such as services offered, pricing, and contact information. The goal of door-to-door flyers is to reach potential customers in a targeted area and encourage them to try out the laundry business. Next one is the role of customer service in getting new customers for a laundry business is crucial. Providing excellent customer service and creating a welcoming environment can be a great way to attract and retain customers. Customers appreciate good customer service and a friendly atmosphere, which can lead to repeat business and new customer referrals. Third one in this amenities of laundromat business. Amenities play a crucial role in attracting new customers to a laundry business. Offering amenities such as free Wi-Fi, TV, comfortable seating, and a vending machine for snacks and drinks can make the laundry experience more enjoyable and convenient for customers. By providing amenities, a laundry business can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, leading to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. The next most important is the role of technology for laundry business. Technology plays a vital role in attracting new customers to a laundry business. It can make the process more convenient and efficient for customers, allowing them to schedule appointments and make payments online. Now we will discuss what is the expectations of laundry customers in the USA. Laundry customers in the USA expect their laundry service to be fast, reliable, and affordable. They want their clothes to be cleaned thoroughly and returned to them in a timely manner. Customers also expect laundry businesses to have modern and efficient equipment that can handle different types of fabrics and stains. They prefer laundry businesses that offer additional services such as dry cleaning, alterations, and pickup/delivery options. Overall, customers expect a laundry business to provide a high level of customer service and convenience, making their laundry experience as easy and stress-free as possible. Finally, we will discuss how laundromat management software can play a crucial role in attracting new customers to a laundry business. The software can provide a seamless experience for customers, allowing them to book appointments, select services, and make payments online. It can also help laundry businesses streamline their operations and improve their efficiency, leading to faster turnaround times and higher customer satisfaction. Turns is a best laundromat management software for laundry business. It can provide valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences, helping businesses tailor their services to meet customer demands. Additionally, it can help businesses stay organized and manage their inventory and equipment more effectively. Overall, the use of laundromat management software can make a laundry business more competitive and attractive to new customers. You can visit Turn's website to discover the rest of the best strategies to get new customers for your laundromat business. Take action now and gain an advantage in this competitive market. To know more, you can connect with our expert and schedule demo. Please go to first part of this video to understand rest of strategies to get new customers for your laundry business. Thanks for watching. Join us today and enjoy a smarter, faster, and more efficient laundromat future.